Welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the water pump on the Golz GS350. It's a simple process, but it's very important that you maintain the pump and know how to change it if you have a failure. So although the pump is only small, it plays a huge part in making the saw very efficient. It cools the blade, the water acts as a lubricant, and it always makes for a much better cut when wet. The main electrical connection is here, and you simply have to unscrew this. It's like a bayonet fitting. Make sure you cover the connections up with the cap that's supplied. Then you open the drawer to expose the pump. The pump is simply fitted onto a bracket and is held by the end filter screw here. Then simply undo this brass nut here. I've slackened it off with a 15mm spanner for ease. Simply draw the pump out and it can then be replaced simply. Just reverse the process. Should you get a blockage inside the filter here and in the impeller, simply remove the small screw, twist the cap, and this will expose the impeller inside. Remove any debris or bits that have got stuck in there, manage to bypass the filter. Clean it out and simply reassemble. Put the screw back in. And you're good to go. So to sum up, the pump is a very important part of the machine. Always clean and maintain the pump well. Run clean water through it at the end of every day. And do not leave mucky water in the lines. This will only go hard overnight and will block all of the pipe work.